Ollie's Junction.
Five little monkeys and Papa. Five little monkeys played at the park, swinging and sliding until it got dark. One fell down and gave a big shout. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys running about. Four little monkeys climbed up a tree. They giggled and wiggled so happily. One slipped down with a little bump. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys making a jump. Three little monkeys rode on a bike, ringing their bells, ding ding, with delight. One tipped over with a silly spin. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys tumbling in. Two little monkeys splashed in the rain, jumping in puddles again and again. One slipped over with a splish splash sound. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys slipping around. One little monkey danced with a grin, spinning in circles round and thin. He tripped and rolled with a silly fall. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys playing at all. And all the monkeys sit nice and neat, having a snack, bananas to eat. They learned a lesson safe and sound. No more monkeys falling around.